Oh my goodness, hello. Hello, oh my God.
Alrighty, you know what, I'm gonna... So today, I think we'll be working on some windows, just to try to get them uncovered. I think I can get to that one over there. Really, I'd take the camera and turn it so you can see what I'm talking about. This one here, the dumpster was in front of it and they moved the dumpster, so I think I can get to that one now. And then we have, I can get to the door here. We have this window here that needs to be uncovered and have some plastic on it. And where's my finger? There it is. That window over there that I want to uncover. And then we'll have plenty of light down here. Oh, and there's still one more back in the furnace room that also needs to be uncovered and have plastic put on it. My helper isn't here yet. Anyways, still lots of work to do, and I will turn the camera back on while we're working. All right. Anyways, okay, so what we've been doing today, if you can see it.
A tiny hole.
We were checking up there. There's wood slats there. That's to hold the stucco. And then there's also a wood beam behind it. And we found some metal lathe there. So this is a large wood beam up here. And here, I can just, okay, thank you. And more metal lathe, and there's wood behind that. So that should be, this whole doorway, this should be supporting this doorway in the brick. And we went ahead and cut, I did go ahead and do this window here. Okay.
More light. We're good.
So, right now we are working on the floor. There was a bunch of these wood tongue and groove flooring that had pushed up into this triangle here. And that's usually due to moisture that will do that. So we are currently kind of disassembling the floor. They're actually just popping out pretty easy, most of them. There's some rot over here. So we're gonna remove some of these, and this looks like original flooring down below here. So we're gonna remove some of this. Yeah, it is pretty. And kind of see what's underneath the floor here.
Oh, look, it's got a maker, and this is oak.
That's an oak floor?
Spring, hang on. This is oak from Missouri? Missouri, something oak wood floor.
All right.
And it comes from spring something. Can't read it.
All right, well, maybe another piece has more information on it.
Anyway, it's from Springfield, Missouri, according to the little sticker here that you can't read. I believe so.
Cool. We'll have to look for the company. Anyway, I'm going to have to plug the camera in because for some reason it's draining its battery. So I'm going to turn it off for right now, and then I'll plug it in. You guys gotta move, you're in the way again. Hold on, I gotta move this, because we gotta move this stuff over here. Alright, you guys can sit right there for right now. Oh, there's definitely some water damage over here. Just a little. I keep knocking the battery down. I'm gonna have to get Velcro or something. Keep that battery up. Definitely some water damage over there. Alright, I'm gonna sweep this real quick. As soon as I find a room. I'll be done. And again, says it has a full battery again. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this loveliness over here. A lot of it's been eaten by termites. Now, the wood on top though, we haven't found any termite holes yet. So hopefully we continue to have good luck with that. That is oak. So,
From Missouri!
From Missouri, from I think one of them was Springfield and the other one was Missouri. Anyways,
No, this is Springfield, Missouri.
we took the carpet out. So, carpet's out of this room.
This piece of wood is in the way, very much so, just so you know.
That piece of wood is a real pain. And we have our collection of oak pieces over here.
See? I'll read it for you.
Do you have one that has the...
It says Cloud Oak Flooring Company, number 2 Common, Springfield and West Plains.
Cool.
So this is from, I guess if there's a place called Springfield in Missouri, this is where it came from. We think.
We think. Well, that's where it came from. I mean, that's the label. And we took off one of these panels just to see what was behind there. It's not pretty.
It's ugly. It's ugly.
Let's see. I already explained about the holes in the ceiling now, or holes on the wall.
I have to cut this down a little bit.
I might. We have thunderstorms, pretty good thunderstorms moving in here now, so yeah.
It's spooky.
Pretty good lightning out there. All right. So, toys haven't gone yet. And unfortunately, we still have these 3 pews.
What about,
some of the Bibles went. She's gonna be back for more of them, so most of the Bibles are gone. I think she wanted that too, that stuff too. So, anyways, we're gonna get out of here before the storm catches up with us too much. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.